Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedrian. Lady Lava honored by the City of New York. On Tuesday at the Caribbean Music Awards VIP reception, the Bob the Builder DJ was recognized by New York City Council member Rita Joseph for her contribution to Caribbean music. She was presented with an official proclamation celebrating her impact on music and culture, with Joseph describing her as a trailblazer.
Across the Caribbean and international stages, even catching the attention of global superstar Cardi B, who not only celebrated her music online but came to support her live in concert. Ladies Lava artistry also have been recognized by legends like Vibes Cartel, Spice, Koshin, and so many others who see in her what we all see today. A trailblazer whose sound is as authentic as it is electrifying. Am I doing right?
Lady Lava expressed both shock and gratitude at being recognized by the City of New York.
When you call my name, I love her name Keisha. Harris, and Keisha Harris, and then it's like, come on. So I'd like to say I appreciate this very much. When people show you appreciation for your art, it's motivation for you to even do better. And this is what this is going to do for me. It's going to motivate me to do better and help others.
This honor comes just days ahead of the Caribbean's premier award show, the Caribbean Music Awards, where Lady Lava is nominated for Zest Team Artist of the Year. The award ceremony takes place this Thursday in Brooklyn, New York. Jamaican choreographer Dr. Antoinette Steins honored at Carifesta. The Caribbean Festival of Arts, Carifesta, made its return last weekend for the first time since 2019, following a break due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Opening on Friday in Barbados, the festival presented a vibrant showcase of Caribbean culture with cuisine, fashion and performances and visual arts under the theme Caribbean Roots, Global Excellence. Now in its 15th staging, Carifesta honored Dr. Antoinette Steins, founder and artistic director of LACADCO, a United Caribbean dance force, with the Icon of Caribbean Dance Award during its Icon Night celebration at the Walcott Warner Theatre. Speaking with E Prime, Dr. Steins expressed her gratitude for being recognized for her contribution to dance.
I'm elated and honored to be awarded the Icon Award for creativity in the field of dance. I thank Jamaica for nominating me. I thank Barbados for creating this energy around various aspects of culture and honoring all of us. I am especially proud to have developed the first Anglo-Caribbean technique in dance. I thank everyone. I am humbled. I thank God and all my dancers for having trusted me.
The recognition follows her recent national honor from the Jamaican government, where she was awarded the Order of Distinction Officer Class. LACADCO, a United Caribbean dance force, is set to take the stage at Carifesta this Thursday for a night of storytelling through movement, blending modern technique with African and Caribbean traditions. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedrian. Thank you for watching. Be safe.